Eat something, bitch. What's up with it? What's up with it, everybody? It's your boy RDR, and welcome back to RDR Food Reviews. And as you can see right here in front of your face, at the bottom of the screen today, your boy RDR is doing a Little Caesars pizza mukbang. That's right, a Little Caesars pizza mukbang. Now, I haven't had pizza in an eternity, and Jesus, Mary and Joseph, this is the best time to have it right now. My wife was telling me all week about how she had a craving for pizza. Now, when it comes to pizza, we disagree on who has better pizza. She's a Pizza Hut whore. I'm a Little Caesars whore. And shout out to all my folks in Detroit. They know what it is when it comes to this Little Caesars pizza. It's about that life. And so shout out to Little Caesars game. And I needed to get that 3-meat deep dish pizza, which is my favorite pizza from Little Caesars. That's what I got here going today. So we're going to chop on some Little Caesars pizza. Chop up, you know what I'm saying? I'm going to update y'all on what's been going on lately. So if this is your first time here on RDR Food Reviews, I am your host, Roberto Del Rio, aka RDR. And this is RDR Food Reviews. I not only just do food reviews, I do mukbangs, obviously, mukbangs, storytime videos, challenge videos, vlog videos, the works. So if you like what you see, please hit that subscribe button that's at the top. And that notification bell that should be racing up here sometime soon, so you get the latest, greatest RDR food reviews. Also, if you want to follow me beyond YouTube, you can hit me up at Roberto Del Rio 86 at IG. Follow me. I might follow you back if you got more than a single-digit post going on in your life. But if you don't, then you're avatar.com, and it is what it is. You know what I'm talking about? So yeah, that's what we got here going. So we're gonna get into it. We'll do a lot of eating. I'm gonna be talking a little bit, but I'm gonna be eating a little bit more than ever. I usually ramble a lot, but let's go ahead and get a quick moment of prayer. Father, thank you for this food I'm about to receive. Help this food nourish my body, make me strong as a person, strong as a man. Bless those who grow hungry as I pray. Please find them some need. Your holy gracious body, name we pray. Amen. Love you, Father. All right, now. And let's go ahead and get a thumbnail in real quick. Ooh. Ooh, Jesus Christ. Just been wanting to tear this bad boy open. I'll tell you what I'm going to do here. I'm going to go ahead and pick this up. Pick up the pieces. Pick up the pieces. We'll put the pizza over here. And get the box out the way. Pick that up later. And we'll do it like this, huh? Pick up the pieces. Yeah, that's right. I broke out the Cowboys hat on you boys today because if you've been living on a rock, you haven't noticed by now, football season is here. That's right. And I will be repping my squad all year long until we reach the Super Bowl, which we will. God, I hope we win the Super Bowl. Anyway, yeah, so I'll be repping them Cowboys, you know what I'm talking about, already. So we got the thumbnail out the way, prayer out the way. Let's dig in. Got some of that buttery garlic sauce right here. So I haven't filmed in like 4-5 days, maybe 6. Just not, I mean, it's cool to take a little brisake here and there. But one of the main reasons why I have not filmed lately is because your boy is on vacation. Yes, vacation from work. You're probably like, man, vacation for work? Didn't you just start your job like 2 months ago? Yes. It's because they've been working me like a West Virginia slave, and your boy accumulated a lot of time. So that's why I'm on vacation. And so when I'm on vacation, usually when I'm at my other job, when I'm at vacation at one place, I'm on vacation here too. So that's the reason why I have not been available. So pick up the pieces. All right. You gotta love cheese pools, right? I mean, come on. Cheese pulls is like the most beautiful thing when it comes to a pizza, macaroni, and everything. Mm. Oh man. Oh man, come on, man, come on now. Jesus Christ. I forgot how dang good this is. Man. Again, shout out to Little Caesars. I don't know why people be sleeping. Sleeping on Little Caesars. Come on, okay? I'm not sponsored by these boys, okay? But they have some of the best ingredients, the best pizza. At the most affordable price. Cuddy, they got a pizza portal. Who else got one of them, huh? You gonna get you $5 and some change. Go on over there, man, and get you one of them sexy ass pizzas. Look at that. How you like me now? Cheese pull on 100. You feel me? That's dedication right there. Ain't even did nothing but put the tip in. Put a little bit in there. Okay. That should be a clip right there. Did you see the length on it? Tell you what, school pizza don't stretch like that. I mean, school pizzas, boy, used to look forward to them suckers all the time. Lunch back in the day, before Michelle Obama came in and fucked up the church's money. Shout out to the Queen. It used to be good times, boy, when you went to school. You always looking forward to, especially if you was a po folk out in the world, and you had to get up and you had to get in the breakfast line. You know what I'm saying? Needs to be cutting in line and stuff. Save me a spot. Save me a spot. Fights all the time. Especially if they were serving something good like some biscuits and gravy or some breakfast burritos or something like that. Boy, hold up. Now, there was some cool lunch ladies, but it was most stingy ass lunch ladies. They took their job for real serious. They act like they was the police of the cafeteria. You know what I'm saying? Had an attitude. For real. Watching. If they had it their way, they'll give you a pea on a plate with a butter knife and 2 chopsticks. They'll starve you if they could. And there was some cool ones, ladies that always hooked you up. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, especially when it be like hamburgers and french fries, we'd be like, oh, give me a little bit more. Come on. We had the lunch lady, Miss Precious. Come put a little bit more on there, Miss Precious. Y'all remember whenever Yeah, I remember whenever you came out the lunchroom or lunch line, after you done typed in your little barcode, and you survey the cafeteria trying to find where your niggas is at, or your people, and them fools ain't there. You trying to find out who you gonna sit with. Have you ever picked a day where you sat with some people, you didn't sit with your people, you sat with some weird ass people? It be tense, don't it? Got that Hobbs and Shaw on here, on that breast, huh? Refreshing. They got The Rock looking funny as a cartoon character on here. I saw this movie last week. To be honest, it's about time to put the Fast and Furious to bed, baby. It's about time. I mean, let's be frankly clear here. If you do three movies to a spectacular film, you'll be lucky that the third one booms. Hell, you'll be lucky if you do 4 movies of one movie, and the fourth one is excitingly great. Like Lethal Weapon 4. Lethal Weapon 4 was my favorite. 3 was good. 2 better than 1. But cut it. 9? 8? Fast and Furious? You go back and watch Fast and Furious all the way to now, it'll turn into a goddamn game show, Cuddy. It ain't even authentic no more. Damn superhero movie. Hell, I was watching Rush Hour the other day, and I was like, damn. They should have stopped after 2 and thought about it when they made 3. Just ruined everything. Just ruined it. So if you're wondering why Ice Cube ain't made another Friday, do your history, alright? The first one, legendary. The second was great. The third one, bullshit. The first one had some of the most legendary double refreshing. Okay, don't forget about that. The first one has some of the most legendary, iconic lines ever that can be quoted from little kids in Indonesia to little hillbilly boys in West Virginia. The second one was the greatest thing that ever happened. They gave us Mike Epps. You know what I'm saying? Gave us Mike Epps. Also, third one gave us Cat Williams. But it wasn't great. So what the freak you think is gonna happen if they put a fourth one out? You already know who's gonna be up in there. Salute to one of the GOATs right now, Kevin Hart. He gonna be in there. What's a Friday without Kevin Hart in there? Now, you know what I'm saying? I heard they about to do a remake of Home Alone. I told my wife, I said, baby, they about to mess up your movie. messing up classes, you know what I'm saying? You know that feeling when it hits the spot? Cuddy, this pizza, it hit the spot for real. It felt so electric, baby. So electric now. Triple refreshing. We should do like a thing where whenever I do the refreshing, like, you know, like the icebreakers, ice is like freezing and stuff like that. In due time, get the CGI going up in here. We get some snowman dancing and bunnies twerking and stuff. Alright. All right. Let me close by saying this. Special prayers, heartfelt prayers go to the victims and the people of El Paso and Dayton, Ohio. Folks, family, friends, people, cuddies, caritas. Man, this crazy shooting stuff, it's gotta stop, man, for real. It's getting sad. People can't even walk into Walmart to go shop without people being weirdos and doing just straight horrific acts. Like, it's so sad how here we are in 2019 and we've got the resurgence of racism, which racism never really been gone. It's just, you know, it's just back and better than ever, I guess. But the fact that you can't even go to a movie without the thought of someone flipping out trying to kill everybody. Or go to Walmart, flip out, kill everybody. You know what I'm saying? Go to SeaWorld or something like that. Flip out, murk everybody. It's like people don't have no filter. They will kill kids, infants, old, elderly people just to make a name for themselves. And it's so sad, it's so ridiculous that it's like, you know, on some real spit, I used to hear this all the time from older people, especially my granny and my grandpa, all this stuff like that. They're like, oh, you better get yourself right. You know, Jesus is coming back. It's gotten to the point to where it's like, you know what? If you got your life together and everything like that, it's like, you know what? He need to come on with it. It done got to the point to it's like, man, you know what? Jesus need to come on back now. Come get us. You know what I'm saying? Because I don't know if it's going to get better than this, it's going to get worse. But it's like, come on. You know what I'm saying? So, because obviously it's better on the other side than it is here. And that's facts. You know what I'm saying? Other than that, thank you everybody for watching my Little Caesars Pizza Mukbang. Just a little chop talk, you know what I'm saying? Chopping it up, conversating with y'all. Different pace of things, you know what I'm saying? Cutting, you know what I'm saying? Appreciate y'all tuning in with me today. If you like this video, hit it with a thumbs up. If you don't, hit it with a thumbs down. It don't matter. I'm going to love you like I always have. It's your boy RDR, and like I always say, Cuddy, hey, food is a gift. So please give thanks. Again, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Share this video. Tell everybody and tell a friend about RDR food reviews. It's your boy RDR. I'm signing up out of here. God bless y'all. Take care. Already. I love you guys, and I will see y'all very soon. Oh, yeah, and let me not forget. Thank you guys for the 45,000 subscribers. We just hit 45,000. 5 away from the big 5-0. Appreciate you guys. It's been rocking with me since day one. First 5,000, 10,000, etc. I genuinely, from the bottom of my heart, appreciate you guys. All right? I love y'all. And good night.